FC and RSS equals SEO. No, this is not the new math. It is the formula for getting your website recognized by the search engine spider. The formula is fresh content plus really simple syndication equals search engine optimization. This is an easy way to get the search engine spiders to come and visit your site on a regular basis, see that updates have been made, and get you ranked higher in the directories. It isn't that difficult to write a 300 to 500 word article about your favorite subject matter. What works for me is to set aside a couple of hours a week and knock out 5 to 7 articles at one time to use during the upcoming week. The articles are all different but are similar, so writing them in one sitting is a bit easier. Writing your own content is still the best method, but article submission sites can help you out when you have writer's block. Getting fresh content can be easy with the many article submission sites available on the internet. All you have to do is search for articles related to your site, copy them and add them to your site. Ensure that you credit the author by leaving the resource box, along with a live link, intact. You can grab many articles at one sitting and save them for later updates. Add some content to your site on a regular basis, preferably daily. You will be amazed at how quick your new site gets indexed and happy with the rankings of your current site as it goes higher and higher. RSS is an XML formatted style for syndicating content. Users that have RSS readers can then pick up your content and read it at their leisure. Your content will then be all over the internet, giving you maximum exposure. One additional tip is to add a news aggregator to your site. This will put current news headlines and snippets of the articles on your site. Again, this adds fresh content, making the search engine spiders happy. So, a few simple adjustments to your website can bring more visitors, happy spiders, and fame and fortune to the authors of the original articles.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.